Alright guys, it is officially December 1st. Hello Tin. He's chewing at the bit there with this wood. He's been eating away all morning here. There you go. December. December is upon us. It's chilly this morning. The mint is actually growing better outside than it is in here. And looks like we got a bit of a breeze. I don't have my wind noise reduction on, so still looks like November to me. Well, I'm fine with no snow. That works for me, guys. It works perfectly well, but I'm sure soon enough we'll be seeing that. Anyway, we are on the last month of the year of 2022. Pretty good year. One thing is I got this computer here which has changed my life. I was using this older one here which is just way behind the times, man. It was so frustrating. So I'm really grateful for this little guy here, man. He's really a powerhouse, that's for sure. Alright, just checking in, man. We'll be checking back in soon. Peace! Woohoo! I gotta get some bird feed. Bird seed. It's one of the things I'm doing today. And that, folks, is how we do water. Or that's part of it. That's the water I usually use for cooking, coffee, things like that. Then I have other bottles that I keep under here, and I fill those up with water, and I use those for, for like the coffee and things like that. Or drinking water. Any of it. It's all used for water. It's drinking water, cooking water, whatever. I see gas prices are going down. That's good. Alright guys, it's just a gray, windy, pretty cool, pretty cold December 1st. And there's chance of flurries today. Or something of that sort. I actually just picked up a gig today for tonight. Oh boy, it is dreary. It's another one of those days where it's just cold and damp. You just can't really get warm. Yeah, I have a really tough time this time of year, man. It's not easy. I'm heading over the mountain and through the woods to my... Well, I'm going to visit my parents before I go to this gig tonight, which happens to be in the town that I grew up in. I'm going to be playing at a funeral tonight for a local who also happens to be a deadhead, or was a deadhead. He's a young guy. He died really young. And I'm honored to be able to go there tonight and, play a song for his funeral. We're going to be playing Ripple, Grateful Dead tune. This guy's a big deadhead, as I said. And, alright, guys. December... What is it? Friday. I am over in the neighboring town. I had to top off the gas. I think we put just below $25 in there at $3.69 a gallon. That's the cheapest I've seen it in a while. The pleasure in that was soon taken away when I went to get bird seed. Guys, bird seed. A 50-pound bag, a 50-pound bag of sunflower seeds. Black oil sunflower seeds. That's what I've been getting for years. $50, all right? $1 a pound for bird seed. That is insane, all right? I'm going to tell you how insane it is. The last time I went there, which was about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months, the price had gone up then. It had gone up to like $32. That's the most inflated, crazy price I've seen. Had a good meeting today with Lisa, who I'm going to be working with on this SEL residency coming up. I can't believe that the first semester of school is already over. First half. I mean, well, you got the month of December, but we all know how months fly by. Usually a field of corn there. Weather was nice today. I mean, pretty decent. We did have some sunshine today too. Not the case right now, but we did have weather in the 40s today. It was quite pleasant outside, and the sun was shining. It really felt good. I guess we've had our fair share of sunset. Yeah, our fair share of sunshine, but we've certainly also had our fair share of this kind of weather. I'm already tired of it. I can only take so much. Alright guys, familiar little ride, right? Well, here we are in December, and this doesn't look a whole lot different than it did in November. Although, you could wake up tomorrow and there could be a foot of snow on the ground, and then it's white for the next 4 months. I don't know. I don't see... I have no... All the geese are going out to the middle. They were along the shore there. I wonder why that bothers them. I'll get out here for a minute and see what's up. I gotta say, guys, it's warmer than it looks out. Stepped out of the car here. I was thinking it was gonna be cold down by the river here, and it actually feels nice. Wonder what it's like to be a goose amongst all the geese. There's that expensive bird seed. Well, I almost lost my camera top again. Oh, if you guys can see out there, there's many trees that have been worked on by the beaver, either completely taken down or they're in the process of being taken down. Unfortunately, those beavers, they really get busy and they really do some damage, man, really clearing out places, you know. This actually looks like a human beaver right there, needing a chainsaw, but and then what happens is people have to trap them and reduce the population because they just do some major destruction, according to the humans, you know. So a popular thing these days, the Airbnb, the bed and breakfast. We're looking at one right now, right here. And we just passed one a little bit back. Both properties bought in just for that sole purpose. And I guess that this is the thing these days that people do. They buy property and change it into an Airbnb. At least these people, these people that live right here, they're right on property, you know, right next to it. The one back there, no one lives there, you know, it's a real nice house, and the only thing, it's only occupied when they have an Airbnb person. I'm hearing that this is happening to all the little towns around here. You know, like the towns in the Adirondacks, all those magical mountain towns are, the houses and property are being bought up by rich folks from the city who have no interest in the town itself or the village other than to have their house there, you know, that they can rent out for an Airbnb. It's just not a good thing. If you don't live there, you don't love it, you don't know about it, you know, you can't become one with it. Like I am one with this road, you know, this river. We spent a lot of years together. Huh. Look at that. Look at that tree that has broken off and fallen down in between itself and another tree and is wedged in there. Wow. That is pretty intense. Huh. And it's worked itself all through that tree. It's all caught up in there. I would have liked to have seen that pop its top, man. Wow. Huh. Alright guys, I've been on this road for about 20 minutes. It's at 0. That's how fast we're going. This is 0 miles an hour, guys. It's just the idling of the truck, and that's what we've been doing. We idled our way down this road for the last 20 minutes. I had nobody behind me ever. Oh, wait a minute, I did. Actually, this road was busy today. I had one Jeep pass me by, and then I had oncoming traffic. I had just one truck. And the truck coming at me was going about as fast as I am, and the other Jeep, he was, you know, moving along normal speed. That's in like a 20-minute period, all right? You could just go back and forth on this road like this. I love doing this. I don't have my foot on the pedal. I just sit here in the seat, kind of keep my hand on the wheel. Well, you got to, right? Or you're going to end up in the river or the ditch. And I observe my river friend here, this friend of mine, this wonderful piece of earth, whatever you call it, you know, this, yeah. I'm really grateful for the connection I have here with this land, and this water. Means a lot to me, man. In fact, it means everything to me. It means so much to me that I changed my name to RiverJack. RiverJack Z. Z for Zucchini, because that's been the bulk of my music career, playing music under the name of Zucchini. And as it turns out, it's a quite versatile vegetable, and I just love it. You know, it's really good. It's a great summertime veggie. We're at the end of our little venture here now, guys, and we're gonna head back home.